Today's video is going to be all about what to do if your cats are not getting along, as well as tips on introducing a new cat into your household. First, we're going to discuss the reason why cats don't get along. The first reason may be if your cat has grown up in a household where they are the only cat, they may lack feline social skills and be fearful of the so-called unknowns associated with a new cat in the house. Cats tend to prefer consistency and routine over change. Another reason your cat may not be getting along could be because cats are very territorial and may not like another feline in their space. And lastly, quite simply, your cat's personalities may just clash or their different maturity levels are playing a factor. So today we're going to dive into a few of these issues and talk about some of the potential solutions and ways to encourage your furry friends to get along. The first piece of advice is to never let your cats fight it out. If you see your cats fighting, you should clap loudly to get their attention or try using a spray bottle with water. It is also extremely important to spay and/or neuter your cats. Obviously, there are numerous benefits to fixing your pets, but in this case, especially with male cats, if they are intact, they are more prone to being aggressive. As I stated before, cats are very territorial, which can in turn create competition between them. The goal is to eliminate any competition between your cats. Ways to do that would include having multiple identical litter boxes and food bowls in various areas of your house. You also want to offer your cats multiple towers, perches, and/or hiding spots. This will give each of your cats the opportunity to have alone time and space away from your other pet. Remember, the goal is to encourage polite and positive interactions between both of your cats, so be sure to reward good behavior with praise and treats. Lastly, we're going to discuss how to introduce a new cat into your household. When choosing a new cat to adopt, sometimes it can be easiest to introduce a kitten into the home rather than a mature cat, because kittens are still sexually immature and deemed less of a threat to your other cat. Choosing a cat or kitten that is of the opposite gender of your current cat may also help the transition. This is because it can minimize competition between the cats. As we discussed before, it is extremely important to make sure both cats are fixed. Another topic of consideration when introducing a new cat is timing. Timing is crucial. You want to choose a time that there are no holidays, parties, or house guests. Ideally, your home should be relatively quiet and you should have extra time to spend concentrating on keeping both cats calm and encouraging polite interactions. Now, once you have brought the new addition home, you may want to take advantage of the cat's sense of smell. Scent is a cat's most important sense. Your goal is to introduce both your original cat and your new cat to each other's scent. You can do this by taking a blanket from one cat and giving it to another. Also, petting both cats without washing your hands in between will help transfer their scents. The next tip, which is one of the most important, is separation. You want to give both cats time to get used to each other at their own pace before it turns into a free-for-all in your living room. It is best to confine one of the cats to a room or space of their own. Allow time for the other cat to come in and explore the other's room and again pick up their scents. Take advantage of crates and carriers when introducing a new cat. This allows for protection for each cat as they are separated by bars, but still gives them the opportunity to get close and interact. The last tip we have for you today is to use food as a distraction. Cats can be very food motivated, so food can be used as a perfect distraction. Try withholding dinner and feeding the cats a bit later than usual. Put them in the same room with separate food bowls and allow them to eat in the same room together. Do not put their food bowls right next to each other to start. That is something you can work up to. Hopefully you learned something new from today's video and can try a few of these techniques at home. It can take anywhere from a couple days to a couple months before both cats are completely relaxed with one another. Remember, your cats may never be best friends. Sometimes their personalities just don't mesh. The idea, though, is to work a little every day on acquainting them, and hopefully they will learn to live peacefully together. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave any questions in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more videos.